question. I think that the difference in the shift from CCA 2.0 to 3.0 is an interesting one. When you think about current procurements, they have been largely utility scale solar projects or wind projects for CCAs on the renewable side. And I still think that those projects are going to be important going forward. Having the larger scale utility projects, you just get a lot of cost benefits that you don't see from smaller, locally sited projects. Keeping in mind that there is a goal for the CCAs to have local projects and local impacts, I think that demand response is one way to achieve that goal, or in addition to demand response, having some type of behind-the-meter installations to really emphasize the local aspect of the renewable attributes that a CCA has, while still being able to get the scale benefit and ultimately the cost benefit that will keep CCAs competitive by procuring from larger utility scale facilities that may not be exactly located in their jurisdiction.